first no na web designing adeɛ bi a na wohia some technical skills bi ansa na watumi ayɛ a very good appealing design. But mmerɛ kɔ n'anim as technology yɛkɔ yɛn anim ne adeɛ no sesei no abɛyɛ easy a wohia sɛ wobɛhia saa enough skills na ansa na watumi ayɛ designing. Ɛnɛ meba bɛkyerɛw some simple but powerful tool bi a wobɛtumi de ayɛ o web designing. Wabra a ehia sɛ wobɛhia designing skills biara. They have a lot of templates a wobɛtumi choose from. Ebi yɛ free, ebi yɛ paid depending on subscription level a wobɛchoose. But adeɛ baako a ɛyɛ nice koraa wɔ software wei ho sɛ web application. Adeɛ baako a ɛyɛ nice ɛwɔ ho koraa ne sɛ ɛsan yɛ free. Nti ɔmo wɔ free version na ɔmo wɔ paid. But free no koraa no wobɛtumi ayɛ nneɛma bebree a megye di sɛ wohu a ebɛtumi aboa ama wo nso watumi ayɛ most of designs no yourself. Nti bɔ mmɔden sɛ wobɛsubscribe to this channel na click on the like button no so ama me. Let's get started. Wobɛbie o browser na type canva.com. O type canva.com na wobɔ enter ɛde wobɛba ɔmo website no. Na Canva web application web design software a ɛboa wo ɛma wotumi yɛ a lot of designs. Most of graphic designers na rely on Canva because Canva ɛboa wo ma ebi wɔ hɔ a the idea, unse woyɛ design a lot say the way you come up with even the concept, how you position things, for it to look very nice, ayana time consuming. Into back Canva were a lot of templates. Wow, depending on your needs, And one is a would drop it template, Then you customize it a bit way you frame, you fit in some with your own images. What else? Enti wow ma enyema yes so easy emao. Enti medobefa website and so kakra. Enti these are some of the things Archer say you can do with Canva. Okay, and they are trusted by a lot of companies in a use Canva. We have read the Salesforce, Sony Music, they all use Canva. They have free version and more Canva Pro and no subscribe or more 30-day free trial. And then they have one for your team. Maybe or company maybe I need to subscribe for your team, then you go ahead with that. And first off, you need to have an account. Enti ubeko sign up. Enti ubetumi so assign up with Gmail and as a social media Facebook account and as ubetumi ako traditional way. I already have an account. Enti me so na ma login in. Okay, enti after login, edo beba something like dashboard bisa. Enti I say ubehu a lot of enema you can do with Canva, flyers. A whole lot. Just think of it. Anything design, be anything graphic design, be you wanna do, Canva got you covered. Enti after say why explore interface na na afe ope say onkoso with your design, obeba create design. Enti oba create design, obetumi choose custom size. Ebia ope say o design ma obi ana wankasa kra o design o banner bi ana o sticker bi. Anything maybe for your website, but open custom design and click a customer, then you enter the size now open. And then open so creative video. So as I say, be a YouTube video, desktop video, be a so obetumi to see video. And then if you wanna go with presentation, maybe I open presentation design be, you can go ahead with it. Facebook post, open so creative design for your Facebook and also you can go ahead with it. Facebook cover, Instagram post, logo, so on. And Canva got a lot of things. And then Instagram story. A lot of people they use but if you hormone can't show. And the first of mommy started with Facebook post. And yɛpɛ sɛ yɛnyɛ design for Facebook post, yɛpɛ sɛ yɛn post BB, but we want to create it in a nice way. Then you click on Facebook post. Okay, nti woba you see a lot of templates ɛwɔ aha sɛ sɛ wɔho. Nti wohwɛ wei koraa na these are recent design bi a meyɛ with canva wɔho. Nti you go through the templates no. Now, and like I said, no, ebi free, ebi nso wɔ hɔ a depending on your subscription level, no, and ubenti ebi a yɛmfa ne say I want to choose this one. Yeah, nti we say no hwɛ a free, free. Nti with this one, no, you just go and then you do edit. You edit ebi a aha say, and I want to say maybe web design. So you see, the web design webinar. Maybe I want to change the date. So maybe a date, I want to change it to maybe 23rd September. 23rd September. Maybe SCP, and then 2022. And I want to change the time to 1. It should be 10 a.m. So, and then register until you can go ahead with anything that you want to design. Until I say no, bet me insert it or picture until you go to upload. Then you go to you come to image now. Opese won use no. Ebia image bi a opese won use na onfa enye for design where you go ahead and then you upload. Yeah, until you just drag and drop baby you want to position the image. Until one say which is a picture na my beto has but that's it. I am nice. Until with the hasen you can also change the colors. So this one I want to change the color to this one. And then also I just maybe if I want to change this one too, you just go ahead and then you choose the color that you want. So okay, cool, it's nice. And if you want to change the color of this one too, you can go ahead, you just click on it. But sometimes you need to explore a bit. So and opposite won't change font, and so you can come here and then you choose the font that you want. Say see our current one active in here. Maybe I want to choose this one. So I change it. Then you come to effects. Effects, and so if you want to change, we say be text ni be say as I say no some shadow be no. Yeah, exactly. Obetumi use way create those kind of effects now opening na. Enti Canva got a lot of things. Enti I say no so no. Obetumi duplicate. Ebia opese on repeat this image no. This kind of design another level. Say be obetumi I insert another image. You just press on Control and then D. Control plus D, and then it will duplicate when amount object amount. So until you can resize it, and then you can drag to position it wherever you want. If I want to position it here, so exactly, and then let me try to change the image. So I have another image here. I'll just drag and drop. So now it's looking awesome. Well, maybe you want to duplicate it again and then to form like some small design be what I say. It's looking nice now. So then I want to drag and drop this one. These are just webi na me actual. And then we have say images in ebia overlap ebi ubenya nka upese wonfa this particular one no embra esro. So because here is okay, emfa say we say I overlap second one. Now me pese me fa second one no embra esro. You right click. So send to back, send backward, bring forward, bring to front. So until bring to front in idea, and then regardless of object bia a washroom, and then like something like first bisa. So until you say me a way a form. say I overlap way so two be as I drag the bar so once I overlap yeah. It is an here you can also go ahead and then explore. Where a web designing tool a lot of people are using it a lot. And they say now when it comes to web designing now, who here technical skills bias I just come to Canva, drag and drop any template you think it fits your need, and then just start customizing it. That's all. It's a very nice, amazing tool. Now no, without wasting much time no. And then when it comes to Uber down so they have a lot of emojis. There are some designs you want to include emojis. You can also drag and drop emojis here. So, yeah. And then a whole lot. It's be I emphasize a background image, you can go ahead to and then use your own custom image. So what the bar has saying once I reflected was here, then you leave it. It won't say design the shame say I reflected was here. That's it. That's the power of Canva. So you can also go ahead. Make us may explain bibia a betche embre time. Wait me upload you wow video so and then audio. So a whole lot you can do with Canva. Mepɛ sɛ memfa nkɔ template no na menhyɛ the way ebi wɔ hɔ a paid ones no so ɛteɛ. Ebi wɔ hɔ a wɔhu sɛ wahu pro ɛwɔ ha. This means sɛ this kind of design no agye sɛ wokita professional license anaasɛ subscription no pro subscription no ansa na watumi anya access to this design. Nti ɛno no nyɛ adeɛ a wobɛtumi ayi so. But you can use free templates no wɔhu nti let me just drag and drop this one. Then you customize it. So the same way so now bet me so a creative video. Alright. Yanko the next the any Facebook design. The same. It applies to Nina. Okay. Say no me person me call with logo design. You click on logo. A lot of logos and amaya me use Canva. Logo no you can also search. So all the NFA food. Until you can just type food. Food drinks. Yeah, until these are templates I cover food and drinks. So until we are maybe you wanna give it a try. Yeah, aba. Until we say no a free. So until you can go ahead and then you customize it. A whole lot when so a nice mount you can go ahead you customize it with this one also you can go ahead you customize it. Now but you can catch a dear pro no if we design but free version and mount kwama ultimate design this always car you can upgrade your subscription level no so you have access to amazing designs. So until sana logo no so obey no the same way so now person create custom design. They say one person create banner be now print for your own for your own concept be. You can come here into click on custom now. Then you specify or size. JBM fan say only 2 feet square. You come here you choose inches because there feet no has a feet in him. Into 82 feet no. How many inches and 2 feet? Sana patch until you choose inches no, and then which is 24 inches and 2 feet. Then you type 24 here. You click on create new design. And the Canva be create bibia ma ebebo ase no ama so. After say above foundation no ama no. Ubehu a lot of designs ewa ha say. And based on a concept no, you can choose the template. So then you customize it into share way say template here me choosing is very nice. But if you think say it fits your concept now say the kind of design you want to make then you go ahead you customize it. So the same thing maybe a person won't choose way no replace current way so you can come here and then you change a lot of text everything anything that you want to do you can go ahead with Canva. Anything design, you can go ahead with Canva. It is when it comes to custom design and so on, but we say any free. Once you Canva as a watermark, it tells you say this kind of design or any free. Until you can just leave it and then you find a new one or say and also fit away a free then you drop it a very replace the old one then you start your customization. That's how it works. The same way so now it's for the video also. If you want to create a YouTube video and anyway and a bio YouTube no opese won create thumbnail say idea you use super maybe say me use super looking at the time I will abakọ akọtena ho ansa na watimi ayesa anyama ni nyina ebeje wo time. So until you come and know what you choose thumbnail no I do design I do a lot of templates then you choose from and then I customize it to for the design no. Then after that no I feel my main sure kwan obefa so after say we design no obe export it. Okay, until my first design me so which is okay, let's say this one. I'm done with this one. TM say be air offer. You want to now export it. You come to share. Then you come to download. Into Uber bottom no. I change it to Canva color no. I'm an eye active and sana wait me download it. Until from you can choose from available formats now. It will be JPEG, PNG, PDF standard, a whole lot, PDF print. It will be to me any way be with me so choose give. So by me, I will go ahead with the PNG and then you click on download. Great. I now have my design. Into design in here. Let me open it. Wow. Very nice. The pixel so yeah nice. Without wasting much time, no, I'm on nice, very nice design. You can go ahead and then print it. So, when our resolution and your file, you can increase it. So, and now a view also where we will design, open say won't save it. Say the next time, no, you can edit and now you can go back and then do the necessary changes. You can come to share, then you go to more. Oba ahase save to folder. You can click on it and then your projects. So enti me say no me wo projects bi wa ha ma ya ma save into folder. Nti ubetimi create new folder. E bia ma menya no test. Ana demo. Add to new folder. So that's it. Enti ma save here. Enti say me back to me Canva. Na me me dashboard. Na me project I should see design na me save sisi no ewo me folder ni mu. Nti me save wo demo folder ni. Great. Into better design I can just go ahead and edit. So once I click on it, it will open for me to have access to edit. So that's how Canva works. You can also use it and then tell daily designs without wasting much time. Me that's say unya amrehwe but more than best subscribe to this channel. Now me more videos medeba share so said the bear a betimi aboa afoforo nso and as a won't bibi ase so obetimi pass comment or comment section may read na if there is a need for me to come out for another video I will come out said the bear we are all here to learn but as I say unya ambrehwe